So what I have here is a dowel former insert set, and it's for making straight grain dowels. I will make a stand for it and have some other features. So the first thing I'll do is cut 2 pieces to make a base. I will glue these 2 pieces together now. There's enough glue, and put the other piece on top and clamp it for a couple hours. Here I'm going to build some blocks to build up the sides. So here I'll just glue these pieces together. So these blocks are dry, and the main base is dry. So now I'll glue these 2 together. This will give me a very good solid foundation. So I have the base ready, and I'm going to put this plate in here, and I'll use a hole saw to cut a hole so this will be flush. Here I have the hole cut, and I just have to clean out this with the chisel. So I have it all cut out with the chisel, and now I can put the plate in. Here I'm just going to drill out the middle with a 3/4 inch spade bit. So now I'll be drilling the holes for the inserts. I will now use some spade bits and drill some holes in. This will be used for measuring different size dowels. I will now use a small bit to drill through all these holes, And because I use a spade bit, I can just carry on with the center of the hole with the smaller bit. So I have all the holes drilled through, and now I will put screws in the back. So I'm putting screws in the bottom of the holes, and they will stick out on the other end and leave a point, and they can be used to find the center of the dowel. So you can pick the size of the dowel, and if you need to find the center, you can do that as well. So I have the holes all marked, and I put screws inside, and I can very easily find the size of the dowel. So that's 1 inch, 3/4, and 1/2 inch. And to get the dowel, the center of the dowel, give it a tap. There's one center, 2 center, and 3. The dowel former is used to make pegs for joinery. They're very strong, and they were cut with the grain. So I'll show you. First we'll put an insert in, and I cut some on the table saw. Now I have to split it. So here's a piece. So I tapered one of the ends, and now I go ahead and hit it through. So here is my dowel. Here's a couple other ones I made. This one's out of maple. This is, I don't know, some other hardwood. So they're not as pretty, but they are strong.